Alright, so now that you know how to make Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest posts, they're all just the same thing, but just different sizes. So now we're going to focus on the pages option. So click plus, and then now we're going to do a web story, or you can make like a nice single page website to show clients or tell your personal story. So we're going to click plus on pages. So for the purpose of this lesson, let's pretend we're a freelancing photographer and we are Anderson Photography and we specialize in wedding photography. So our subtitle will be Stunning Wedding Photography or Stunning Wedding Pictures. Yeah. No. Let's not use picture. Let's do capturing stunning moments. Alright. So if you want to move this text around, you can. You can move it up. You can move it around here. And as you notice, it snaps into quadrants. You can't just move it anywhere. So here it's the top left, and if you pull it here, the middle, it's aligned to the left and then bottom. But I like it center, but it'll depend on what picture I find. So click here and click add photo. Then you should upload a photo. If you're a photographer, you should have plenty. So click upload photo and then choose one. So here's a picture of me. I'm not going to keep it. This is just to show you how to upload the photo. Alright, so it's uploading. So here I am. This has nothing to do with the wedding. So let's just click on the background and this will pop up and click replace. So I'm just going to find a wedding photo. So search for wedding. Alright, so let's scroll through, try a few pictures. This one's okay. Doesn't look like a great photo, a little amateurish shooting style. This one looks quite nice, but I think something with people in it would look the best, like this photo right here. Alright, so let's exit out of this, and as you scroll through you can see their faces, or you can move it up here so you can accentuate the people here in the center, or maybe you like it to the right or the bottom center. Or you can also do the top. I like doing the top. It kind of puts you out there. So I'll leave it up top here. Capturing stunning moments. And then as you scroll down, it moves down with you. So your brand is always where your customer is looking. So now here we have a bunch of options. You can do a photo, text, a button, which is a link to your main website. You can embed a YouTube video, have a photo grid, or a glide show, which is just a photo slideshow. Alright, so in the next lesson, we're going to fill this in. Catch